Welcome to SkipperBud's. Today we're going over a 2022 Bayliner VR4. It's equipped with a Bayliner single axle trailer, which has a swing tongue. This is their Impulse Blue Sport package. Walk-through windshield. It's got a bimini top. This is equipped with a 4.5 liter Mercruiser, 200 horsepower, Alpha 1 drive. Nice boarding ladder up to the swim deck. As you board the boat, this cushion will lift up, giving you a nice walkway. You got in-floor ski locker there. Captain and co-captain, both equipped with a bolster seat that flips up, giving you a taller vantage point. Glove box on the port side helm. This is rated for 7 people. This one is equipped with a depth finder, Rockford Fosgate radio unit, all your gauges here. You do have USB aux and a 12-volt plug-in. Nice storage under the helm on the port side. And your traditional Bowrider seating. This boat is available for sale at SkipperBud's in Antioch, Illinois. My name is Ryan. Thanks for watching.